Hi Teami community, today I wanted to show you how to make a chai smoothie. And yes, we're actually gonna use our chai tea to make this delicious blend. Come on, I'll show you how to make it. Now I have a Vitamix, but any real blender is gonna work. There's the Ninja, there's the NutriBullet, you could use whatever you have. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add half a cup of nut milk. You can use regular milk if you want to as well. The next thing that you're gonna do is you're going to add your banana, frozen banana, and then we're going to add half a cup of chai. I steeped our chai tea. I'm gonna put this blend now in here. It's gonna be so good. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper and 1/8 of a teaspoon of turmeric. Actually, I wanna put a little bit more milk, so it's more like 3/4 of a cup. Really depends how much you're making yourself. Lastly, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of almond butter, and you can use any nut butter that you want. It's spilling. This video is just gonna have to be realistic. And now, we blend. Oh yeah, this is so good. It's a really, really good. Oh my God, this is so good. I can actually taste the chai tea in here. I feel like it's a treat. I feel like it's delicious and it tastes like fall and it has the extra cinnamon in there and I love it. I hope you guys like it too. Add your questions or comments below. I'll make sure to answer them.